In this video, I will show you how to manage your phone numbers across HEB. So simply open your HEB app or go to Chrome or any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for HEB. Click on the HEB URL. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, in the top right corner, you will see this cart icon. Right beside it, you will find the profile icon. Simply click on it. After that, there you will find your personal information, your name, your email address and everything. If you scroll down below, you will find mobile number. Click on edit. Then you can update your mobile number from there. You can delete that number and add another number or simply add another number. And simply click on save. After that, no matter in whichever device you log into your HEB, you'll find the phone numbers there. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.